a fair size, so you've got a good view of the pool area, as you can see. And these are the seating areas for the restaurants that we looked at earlier. So this is a view out onto the road where we came in. And these are the rooms. So, this is the room. It's been made up for us. Not the biggest rooms, but they're not bad. Got a little drawer space there, a little pull-out seat. They've got adjoining doors. Now, I did hear someone else did mention in the video it can be noisy, but we've not noticed that. We can hear some people from next door just moving chairs. Not really noisy, but just background noise. But it's obviously adjoining roof from for families. But we're obviously just the two of us in here, and then you got your plenty of space for clothes and racks and stuff, and also night dresses, or night gowns rather. Dressing gowns, that's the word I'm looking for. I've not used them, but I do see a lot of people walking around going into the spa and so on. Then you've got the sink area. It's not the biggest space, I have to say. There's not a lot of shelving and racking and stuff to put stuff on, but there's a little bit underneath. And you've got your toilet obviously, and then there's the shower. And then there's a little line here for putting clothes on, if that's what you need to do. So it's not too bad. It does come with a safe as well. There's no extra charge for the safe. That's it there. Just put your code in, make one up. Set the numbers, easy to do, and just press lock and it'll work for you. If you put your valuables, your wallets and your jewellery or whatever. And then coming out onto the balcony. They're not the biggest ones, not in this room anyway, but it's still a fair size. So you've got a good view of the pool area, as you can see. And these are the seating areas for the restaurants that we looked at earlier. So, all in all, pretty well catered through. So there's a little museum we just looked at and walked past. And we're situated over there. There's a little beach bar down the front there. You can get a drink. I won't do it now because obviously people are sunbathing and stuff, so we won't go past there now. But yeah, it's pretty much catered for, everything here. And the sun sets over here in the evenings, and you can sit in one of the bars with a cocktail and watch it go down. It's very pleasant to do. So there you go. That's a tour of the St George Hotel and Spa. I hope you found it useful. If you're planning a trip here, it's well worth a visit. I found it really nice. And as you can see in the distance, people are up the swim up bar there. So you can just swim up, get yourself a cocktail, and then go for another little swim about. All very nice. Anyway, we'll leave it there for now. Thanks for watching the video, as always. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.